In this class, I'm going to show you how to use the Lightgen feature in Vray 5 to create multiple lighting scenarios in your scene. So this video is taken from the course called Vray 5 for SketchUp Exterior Masterclass, which you can find in the link in the description. There's an awesome offer going on for this course, and you'll get access to the entire course where you learn how to create this awesome exterior render for Instagram right from scratch. So let's open the asset editor and check the lights. So as you can see, we have our 3 HDRIs. So we're going to use the Lightgen to mix and match these HDRIs and generate different HDRI lighting scenarios for our scene. So to start the Lightgen, you can click on the Lightgen button here. It comes with Vray 5, which is the latest version. This is an exterior scene, so I'm going to select exterior. And then I'm going to select HDR. Now you can also use your custom HDR set. So you can simply tick this on and load a folder which contains all the custom HDRIs. But I'm going to use the Chaos Cosmos HDRI. So I'm going to take that off. Now you can see that with the default settings, it is going to generate around 140 variants. I don't need that many variants. So I'm going to reduce the number of unique styles, which is the number of present HDRs. And I'm going to increase the variation, which is basically the rotation of the HDR. And I'm going to keep the seed value around 6, which is the random variation for each HDR. We can also increase the size of the thumbnails, but 160 should suffice. And then click on Generate 70 Variants. So now it will go ahead, combine those HDRs and start to generate different lighting scenarios for your scene. Alright, so as you can see, we've generated different lighting scenarios for our scene. And now we can use any of these in the Vray frame buffer as well. So before I do that, I'm going to save this out. Also, please note that disable lights on application is turned on default, which basically means that any artificial lights in your scene won't be calculated in the Lightgen. Lightgen will only calculate either your dome light or the Vray sun and sky. Now to use any of these Lightgen setups in your Vray frame buffer, first you need to run the interactive render. So I'm going to run the interactive render. So you can see that the Vray frame buffer is dark. So we need to start applying our Lightgen lights into the Vray frame buffer. So all you need to do is just open the Lightgen window and then simply click on the Lightgen variant that you like and it would load it in. Now if it still doesn't load in, you'll have to check your light mix settings. So let's go to source light mix. So you can see that we have this Lightgen dome. We need to simply switch this on. So now you can apply any of these lighting scenarios in your scene. So if I click on this, you can see that updates as I click on any of the variants in our Lightgens. So this way you do not have to tweak the HDRI lights. And you can play with various lighting scenarios simply by using the Lightgen feature in Vray 5. You can also add this to the history VFB. So if I add this here, it would show up on your history VFB, and then you can go ahead and add some other lights as well. Maybe we could try this and then add this to the history VFB. And then we can do a before and after. So now you can see the difference between those two lights. So I'm liking this light for this scene. So I'm going to be using this for the rest of the workshop. So I'm going to stop the render. And whichever is the latest that you've clicked on, that would be applied to your Lightgen Dome 0. So if I switch this off, you can see that the light goes away. And you can also reduce the impact that has in your scene. So let's keep it at 1 and it works perfect for our scene. Now if you want to save these Lightgen set out and use it in another project, you can click on save and then save it out here. And the next time when you open Lightgen, so let me just close this and click on Lightgen or click on reset. And then if you click on load, you can load in the Lightgen set. So this comes with the variants from this project. Alright, so I'm going to be using this for the rest of the workshop. In the next video, I'm going to modify the terrain, add some roads and more before I start adding the materials. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Cheers.